Hi, Guardini. This is Brother Olson, and I'm going to read through your essay right now and give you some feedback, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look here, beginning with your format, your name. Normally after this will come the teacher, then the class, and then the date due. And then in your title, you're going to capitalize the major words, so struggle, gender, equity, okay? All right, let me read through that first paragraph. Gender equity is one of our problem that human create in this century. The way some people use to treat human gives bad opinion about them. This doesn't leave author with any reaction, as she is not better, wiser, stronger, more intelligent, more creative, or more responsible than a man. Likewise, she is never less. Equality is a given. A woman is human. Vera Nazarian, the perpetual calendar of inspiration. It is normal, mostly when we misunderstand the concept. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what's going on. One thing that hopefully you can fairly simply fix is noun-verb agreement, okay? So gender equity is one of our problems, right? So that's plural because there's, lots of problems that humans create, right? So we have the kind of the plural noun. Just a little bit of a challenge to recognize that. Same thing here. The way some people use to treat humans, got to remember that plural. And I would suggest you reading it out loud. It will help you kind of, I think your ear starts to pick up on some of those mistakes. So try doing that in the future. So this quote by Vera Nazarian is interesting right here. The thesis, I'm not sure. It's normal mostly when we misunderstand the concept. Are you trying to say that we frequently treat women less than equal? Right? You could probably clear that up a bit, right, to give your reader just an idea of exactly what you're trying to say. Okay. All right. Let me read the rest of this essay. All right. So just in conclusion, one of the key elements of a persuasive essay or an argumentative essay like this is to provide evidence, something that convinces the reader what you're saying is true. And so you can find evidence in a variety of ways: personal experience, things that you've read, seen, heard about, things like that. And what I see mostly here is kind of a philosophical point of view that men should be equal. I mean, men and women should be equal, which is, I think, a very valid point. But I don't see some examples of inequality that show how bad it is, or examples of equality where men and women are being treated similarly and the benefits of that. So that's just something that's missing in this essay. We still need to work on phrasing, how we can make things sound smoother, more fluidly in English, and things like that. I mean, you're getting there. I see some paragraphs and things like that, which is good. So your organization is getting better. We just got to keep working on how to say the words that we want to say in English so that they can directly, connect with the reader. Okay, so keep going. Good job on working hard, and just don't stop.